We're gonna do a 15-minute seated Tai Chi session. Tai Chi has been used for a lot of different applications over the years. We're going to be using it for health today. So just get in a comfortable seat. This is supposed to be a completely relaxing, calming session. So if you feel any discomfort, stop immediately and let's assess what's going on. But yeah, we'll start just by connecting our feet to the floor and tapping into our breath. Breathing naturally. Noticing how the body feels. Noticing if there's any tension. And now we'll transition into our first pose, where we'll essentially hold what feels like a ball, and you can hover the hands over the knees, or you can let them sit, whichever you're more comfortable with. And we'll try to make the breath a little bit more deep, but still comfortable. So the way I like to do this is I just exhale with a little bit more force, not a forceful exhale, just a little bit more force than I would do naturally, and then I just relax on the inhalation. And by doing this, we're allowing the body to relax naturally when we just kind of relax on the inhalation. And on the exhalation, we're gently massaging the internal organs. And as you breathe in and out, visualize the ball filling up with air. Continue to be mindful of the breath. And if the arms ever feel fatigued, you can just rest them right on your knees. Visualizing that balloon that we're holding filling up with air as we breathe in. And exhaling and visualizing the air leaving the balloon as we breathe out. Now, gently transition to visualization. Instead of the balloon that we're holding filling with air, visualize that you're filling with air from the feet up to your legs and then back down again. So inhaling, visualizing air coming in through your legs, exhaling, and it goes right back out towards the ground. And just to demonstrate kind of like what it looks like to rest the arms on the knees, we'll still hold the balloon, but we'll just relax the arms completely. Now that we've tapped into our breath, we'll begin with our first active movement. the shoulder as we come up and see if we can limit that tension. We want to stay as relaxed as possible. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, arms come back down. Continuing, just being mindful of the breath, moving at a nice and steady pace. Let's come back to holding the balloon, and we'll transition into our next motion, which we'll call parting the horse's mane. So we'll start off over here, arms up, exhale, just rotating to the opposite side. Arms come back to hold a smaller balloon, exhale, rotate the arms. The palms are open and hands face upward, or the reaching arm faces upward and the other arm faces downward. And let's form the balloon on the other side. Exhale. So we inhale, we make the balloon, exhale, rotate. Left hand stays facing upward, right hand is facing downward. And as I rotate to the opposite side, it's just the opposite. Right hand is facing upward, and now my left hand is facing downward. As I'm doing this, the majority of the motion, the majority of the rotation, I should say, is coming from my waist. So my arms do move, but the majority of the movement is from my waist rotating. Slow and steady, even pace. And you can breathe naturally too, if you like, whatever gives you the most comfort and the most ease. Okay, let's reset to holding the balloon again. And our next movement will be brushing. So I'll start by raising, similarly to holding a balloon, just raise the arms up, come back, and then push forward. My left hand goes over my left knee, and my right hand just comes forward. Left hand comes forward, right hand goes over the right knee. Okay, and we can breathe naturally now, or we can inhale at this point, and then exhale as we extend forward. Inhale, exhale. shoulders. Trying to keep them relaxed. Now we'll reset and transition to moving hands like clouds. This will be similar to parting the horse's mane. So we'll have basically one arm, our top arm in the circle, and then the other arm is facing down. We'll just rotate. I would say the waist rotation is a little bit more obvious because I'm just switching my hands now, and I'm rotating back in the other direction. My arms move, but mostly because of my waist rotation. You can breathe naturally when we do this, or you can exhale. And inhale as we prepare to transition. Exhale again. So whichever one feels better for you in this moment. Reset back to holding the balloon, and for our final movement, we'll do I consider like a closing sort of form. So I'll inhale, arms come up overhead and down. Exhale. So inhale up. Exhale, come down. Gentle, easy pace. Whatever pace works best for you. And whether we're trying to inhale as we come up, exhale as we come down, or if we just want to breathe naturally, the most important thing regarding the breath is that we're not holding it. So we don't want to force the breath. So there are kind of ideal patterns for breathing, but we don't want that ideal to sort of force us into holding our breath or to feel tense, any sort of tension. So that's why I give you the option to breathe naturally or to breathe with the movement. It's whatever your body feels like it needs at the time. Okay. Thank you so much for taking this time.